Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your background on PS4 with a theme. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the settings and right here scroll down until you see themes, and in the themes you'll see that you can select a theme. So click on that one, and right here you'll basically be able to select a themes, select also a color as you can see, and you can make a custom one, select an image. So if we click on select an image, we can select from system storage or USB storage device. So you can click on system storage, and right here you will have some games wallpapers as you can see. And that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.